You've been visualizing, you've written affirmations, you've done the manifestation rituals, but nothing's changing. You feel stuck. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Your manifestation isn't broken, but your belief system might be. The law of attraction doesn't respond to what you want. It responds to what you believe is possible. And 95% of those beliefs? They're buried in your subconscious, shaped by past experiences, trauma, upbringing, and old programming. So even if you're repeating "I am wealthy," deep down your subconscious might be saying, "I'm not good enough," or "money is hard to come by." That internal conflict blocks your manifestations before they ever take root. Manifestation starts to work when you shift from faking it to feeling it. Your beliefs must align with your desires, and that shift doesn't happen by willpower alone. It happens by reprogramming your subconscious mind, replacing the outdated code with beliefs that support your success, joy, and abundance. If you're feeling blocked, it's not your fault, but you don't have to stay stuck. There's a tool called the Wealth DNA Code. It's an audio system designed to activate the parts of your mind that are wired for abundance. You simply listen and let the subconscious reprogramming begin. I only share tools I believe in. And if you're ready to clear your blocks and manifest with alignment, check out the link in the description or pinned comment below. Remember, your current reality is a mirror of your internal beliefs. Change the inner script, and your outer world begins to shift too. Thanks for watching the Mind Upgrade. If this spoke to you, like the video, comment below with the biggest belief you're letting go of. And don't forget to subscribe for more weekly drops on manifestation, mindset, and spiritual transformation. Until next time, keep upgrading your mind.